Hello lovely tea birds, I'm so excited to bring to you our first ever virtual lock-in in lockdown, featuring our Easter teas. My name is Holly and some of you may recognise me from our wonderful Bristol store. So you should have received a gift box, and inside this gift box will be everything you'll need for this experience, including the 9 tasting teas that we'll be trying, a development card and tea tasting notes, and also a couple of cheeky cocktail recipes to try at home. Have a blast and we can't wait to see you again in store soon. No proper tea tasting is without a development card. With this, you can sip your blends and make your own personal notes of the aroma, taste, and test your knowledge on the type of tea, whether it's black, green, rooibos, fruit, etc. For example, I have a lovely blend here which smells very minty. It has a light colour green and yellowish, so maybe it's a green tea. Go on, give them a taste. Let your taste buds run riot.
Hello everyone, I'm Emma. I'm a tea mixologist here at Bird in Bristol. So today we're going to introduce some tea tasting. We've got our traditional tea tasting kit here. So we've got a little bowl here and our tea is in here. We've got our spoon so we can slurp, and we've got a timer. Make sure you've got a timer and you know how long your tea needs to be brewed for. So pop some water in here. Make sure to set your timer. This one in particular is 4 minutes timed. Awesome, so once your timer goes off, you want to make sure to pour your tea. You want to make sure you have as much oxygen in your mouth as possible when you're slurping so you get the full experience. So this one has some really lovely nutty flavours to it. Hazelnut, there's some carrot pieces in there, and a really lovely flavour of cinnamon. So this was actually originally a Easter blend a while ago, but it was so popular that it got voted back by our fans. So thank you for joining us today for our tea tasting, and we'll be back with more soon.
So after brewing your cold brew bottle in the fridge for at least 2 hours, the finishing result should be like this. So in here we've got our fairy dust tea, which has been cold brewing in lemonade. I've actually left this here for 12 hours now, so it has a really good depth of flavour. So you want to have a little glass and you're going to put in some ice cubes. I'm going to make this really easy. And very simple to do at home in any circumstances. And then I'm going to pour a shot of gin, a shot of raspberry liqueur, and then top up with your fairy dust cold brew. There we go, your cheeky cocktail.